Want to remotely start your BMW X3 using the key fob? It's a standard feature on X3 models with the Comfort Access or Remote Services package, typically from 2018 onwards. Ensure your X3 is locked and parked in a safe, well-ventilated area. Press and hold the lock button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. You'll see the hazard lights flash and the engine will start. A double horn beep usually confirms the start. The engine will automatically shut off after 10 to 15 minutes if you don't drive it. To manually stop the engine, press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds. Make sure the car is in range, typically within 1 to 2 miles. This feature allows you to precondition the cabin, adjusting the temperature before you get in. While remote start is convenient, remember a few key points. First, confirm your specific BMW X3 trim has the factory-installed remote start option. Consult your vehicle's manual or BMW's website. The system includes safety features like immobilizer checks to prevent theft. Be aware of local regulations regarding idling, as some areas restrict remote start to reduce emissions. Overuse of remote start may increase wear on engine components. Consider using it judiciously, especially in extreme weather. Remote start is disabled by default in some regions, e.g. EU countries, due to emissions regulations requiring manual activation via BMW's dealer network. Finally, for enhanced control, consider using the BMW Connected app, formerly Connected Drive, as an alternative. It also allows remote start and integrates with smart home ecosystems.